What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to get out of the map of Backlot. It's a glitch. Hold on. Gotta get the camera. Okay. Watch me get out of Backlot. Here. It takes us a couple tries. It takes us a couple tries, so just watch me. Sorry about that, YouTube. Takes a couple tries. God. God. YouTube, I made it out. Now watch this. You watching? Let me see if you're watching. Okay. I'm gonna work back here. Now, and then you can explore a little bit, but I just want to go through some stuff. Now, you might see black stuff. Now, you guys might see all black stuff. No, that's okay. Just now watch this. Sorry about that. I didn't mean that. Just watch what I do, okay? When I come to you taught me this, you know, Barbara. Okay. Now, as you can see, it just gets all black. Now, turn completely around, jump down, and wave goodbye to your town Backlot. See it going down? And that is how to disappear and get out of the map of Backlot. And now you're just in a black hole. You can't do anything. You just change team. Just go to anything you want. And wait, you just change your team. You go to anything you want. Wait, or it should work. And then you respawn right back at the place, usually, and so that's how to get out of the map of Backlot. See you guys.